You've been in this system for a month and you just told me you're going to get a check for how much money?
$30,000.
You could say that 100 times tonight. Man. Good.
$30,000.
Have you ever
Christmas
paid,
present.
how much did you pay the seller for the option agreement?
$100
You found a buyer all within how many days?
within within a week.
Yep. And you're going to make how much?
$30,000.
How does that feel?
Feels great. What a nice Christmas present. And I intend to get that money next week.
Have you ever made $30,000 on a deal before, or $30,000 in one place before?
I have made more than 30,000, but with a lot more work and a lot more risk. I can say unequivocally that this is the easiest $30,000 I've made. And nobody is happier to see this than my wife, who is tired of watching me struggle with fix and flips and all the issues related to that type of work.
What are you saying? This really works?
It really does. And not only that, the leads just keep coming. I have 2 more contracts that I'm probably going to sign in the next week or 2. And it's looking good. And thank you all for your support, for your patience. And hey, I feel like I'm part of a good team.